What's poppin' a game? So I'm about to show you how to fatten your wallet, up your amount in your bank account. So, I have 4 different ways that you can make money right on your phone. I have made about $100 just using these apps. I made like almost $50 in one app alone. So, stay tuned. See how to gain. We ain't gonna be broke in 2018. We about to make money, get our coins. So I'm about to help you with that. Stay tuned and let's get with it. And y'all probably like, Angel, what happened to the intro? It's coming right now. Okay, so the first app I'm going to be showing you guys is Receipt Hog, and this one is very simple. It's basically just scanning receipts that you have from your purchases from various stores. It could be any store, honestly. It can be a gas station, anything. So this is what it looks like when you go to the home screen. If you upload a receipt for each week, you get a bonus, and your bonus comes in spins. So spins are basically, it's like a slot machine, gambling. You get to use one, spin it, and hope for a prize. So I didn't get anything that time, and the amount varies. So your points in this one comes in coins. So when you upload a receipt, you get a certain amount of coins, and not all. Every time you upload a receipt, you don't always get coins. Sometimes you may get a spin for the slots, or you could get an entry into the sweepstakes that they have. So not all your receipts earn you coins, and the amount of coins that you get for your receipts depends on how much they are. So you can find all of that in the settings app. What can I earn? So if it's less than $10, you get 5 coins. If it's $10 to $50, you get 10 coins. If it's $50 to $100, you get 15 coins. And if it's more than $100, you get 20 coins. And sometimes you get, like I said, you get spins and sweepstakes entries. So here, tap the bell. These are things I've earned. I got my receipts for Route 21 earned me a entry and a spin. I got a weekly bonus. My spend earned me coins. My Dollar Tree receipt earned me 5 coins. So it just depends on, what you get. And so let's go to the rewards. You can redeem your coins for PayPal or Amazon prizes. So for PayPal, and they're both the same, whatever. The amounts are both the same. So $5 is 1,000 coins. $15 is 2,900 coins, and as you can see, I'm close to $15. I'm at 2,727. 4,300 is $25, and 6,500 coins is $40. And I'm just gonna keep going until I get to that part. And yeah, that's how this app works. Oh, and there's also levels. So as you upload weekly, you progress towards the next level. I'm on level 13, and as I move to level 14, I'll be able to get 150 coins just for going to level 14. So that's how you earn coins as well. And that is all for Receipt Hog. Okay, so the next app is Ibotta, and this one you get points for buying the items. So basically you get cash back. So before you even go shopping, you scroll through here and you click things that you buy. So I'm gonna say Walmart, because that's where I do my grocery shopping. That's where we do our grocery shopping at the house. So broccoli, any brand, they have any brand things where you can, doesn't matter what they are, obviously, and then you can get cash back for that. But some things it's specific. So, and sometimes you have to watch a video to add the cash back, which is kind of annoying. So we're just gonna hit done, stop watching, just for the purpose of this video. So if you're gonna buy some Frito-Lay classic mix things, you add that to your your offers. I don't know, like that. And so then when you actually buy, say you actually buy these things and then you scan a receipt. We made a purchase at Walmart, then you would hit continue, you would scan your receipt. I don't even have a Walmart receipt, but you would scan your receipt and then you would click the items that you purchase and you would get cash back for those. So you can hit the find offers button at the bottom to get more, to find more options. They have Target on here, eBay, Amazon, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Family Dollar, 7-Eleven, and Lowe's. Well, those are my favorites. They have more on here. Those are the stores that I favorited. So on my account, I have earned $46 on this app in total. Altogether right now, I'm at 3 right now. So actually, the thing I like about this one is that if you use my code, we will be on a team and we can help each other earn together. So if the things that I earn will help you and go towards your earnings as well. They have badges on here. So teamwork. So let's here. People on my team. Join my team. We can help each other. So here are the bonuses. So you can get a $2 bonus. They have different things that apply to these. But if we work together on the team, we'll help each other earn more money. We'll earn bonuses together. And we will help our bank account, grow our bank account, the amounts in our bank account faster. You know, it's money time. So that is that for Ibotta. So I will leave my invite code and invite link in the description box so you can join my team and we can help each other earn some money. And yeah, that's how this works. Next app I'm going to be showing you is Shopkick. And this one, you get coins just for like walking into stores and scanning items while you're in the store. So this one's great for like when I'm at the grocery store for my mom and, you know, I leave her and I go scan products in the store and I earn points or kicks, as it's called in this app, which add up and can potentially win me rewards, gift cards, stuff like that. So, for example, if we click on 7-Eleven, this one you cannot get points for walking in, but you can get points for scans. So, like, if I went to 7-Eleven, I scanned this Nutri-Grain box, I would get 25 kicks just for doing that. And you also can scan your receipts or upload your receipts to the app, and you get points for buying those products as well. So that's an example for 7-Eleven. They have Rite Aid, CVS, Food Lion, and as you can see, Walmart, you can also get points just for walking in. So if you open Shopkick as you're walking into the doors of Walmart, you will get 15 points just for doing that. And they say it helps if you connect your Bluetooth while you're doing so. And they have a bunch of different stores on here. So not only can you get points in store, you can also get points in online as well. So if you go to Shopkick and go to these websites through here, you can earn kicks for purchasing through here. So yeah, that's great too. Like this one, you get 25 kicks per dollar at Kohl's, and things like that. So you can also go to Discover and you can get kicks like within the app just from at home. So if you watch these videos here, you get 1 kick just for watching those videos each. You get 3 kicks for watching these, and you can also just click on some of these and then you can scroll through, and at the bottom there'll be a tap for a surprise and you'll get 1 kick just for doing that. So all of these add up. You can also invite people. This is my code here. I'll put it down in the description box along with the link. Did not mean to copy that, but yeah, that's my code. You can enter it so you can get 250 free kicks. Or you can click my link down in the settings bar. So I'm trying to find, there. So this is a Foot Locker gift card. I need 6,250 kicks for this one. I think it's a $25 one. Yeah. So if you change, they have Toby Birch, Cheesecake Factory, Spa Wellness, Abercrombie and Fitch, American Eagle, Walmart, Nike, all of that. They have all of these on here, and Ulta, everything. So you can pick which one you want. And I think the 1,200 ones are, I don't remember how much they are. You can see all the rewards here. So so $2 rewards card is 500 kicks. The $5 reward card is 1,250. $10 2,500. A 25 is 6,250, and a $50 one is 12,500. So that's what they are. And as you can see, here are all of the possible gift cards that you can get. So this one you don't actually get money, but you get gift cards. They even have Uber on here and Outback. There's even like a motorcycle in here, but obviously you have to get a ridiculous amount of kicks. So that's 1.8 million kicks. Good luck with that. But yeah, that's how you work Shopkick. This last and final thing is not an app, actually. It's online. It's called Instagc.com. This one you complete offers to get points. This one is a little more time consuming, but a quick way that I earn points is I would there's a watch video option, and I would like leave this up on my computer and then go to school, and then when I come back I would have a ton of points just from letting it run while I was at school, or while you can do that while you're at work or whatever you're doing. Leave your computer running, running the videos, and you will earn points just by doing that. But there are also surveys you can do that earn you a lot more points. And then there's different, I don't know what you want to call them, different providers of these surveys that you can use. There's ones where you just put in your zip code. It doesn't even have to be your zip code. Actually put in a random zip code, and you get like points just for doing that. In like insurance things, put in a random zip code, search up insurance rates in your area. As soon as you put in your zip code, you get points. Simple stuff like that. Some of these things to try and get you to sign up for stuff and things, you just have to pay attention to what you're doing. This one just says click the button and you get 6 points. Let's try it. It says click the button. I clicked play. Let's click get V-Bucks. It says sign up. Then you're on. Only a few left. And okay. I just play on it a little bit, and then I go back to Instagc, and I see it did not give me any points. Wow. Okay. Sometimes it takes a little while. It takes a few minutes for it to load, or maybe I didn't do that one right. But yeah, you just go through here and you do offers. But one way I did was I watched videos a lot. Let's look at my account or my history. I think I got a gift card on here before. I'm trying to look to see what I did. Well, here it is. Okay, so I redeemed $25 worth of gift cards right here before, and in total I have earned $28.78, and that's basically it.
And that concludes all of the ways you can make money on your phone, okay? And if you would like, I can make more of these videos, show you how to fatten your wallet even more. Just put it in the comment section. Make sure you go to that description box and use my referral links and referral codes so you can get some free coins and money to start off with just for using my code. All right. And we out.